Aloha, my friends. In today's video, we're going to be doing Breath of the Wind. Now, Breath of the Wind is a powerful breathwork technique that invokes the wind element within us. See, we have these different element aspects within us. It's part of the 7 directions or the 8 directions that are all within us, but including fire, wind, water, earth, masculine, feminine, the internal self, and the collective self. And what this breath work does is it increases the chi in your body, gives you more energy, as well as clears out the mental realm. It gives you more clarity and focus. So it's a great breath work to do for clarity and focus, and allows you to really tap into yourself in a new way. And so the way this breath work works is going to be in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now, you don't need to push it out of the mouth really well, but you want to get big, full breaths in. So you can, into the belly, out the chest is another good way to look at this as you're breathing in. So in through the nose, it'll kind of look like this you don't need to blow it out, just drop it out the mouth. Just release it and back and forth. And so we'll breathe like this for about a minute. And then we will do 2 holds and exhale holds. So we'll exhale all the way, let all the air out of us, and hold. And we'll hold for about 15 seconds the first round, 20 seconds the second round, and 25 seconds the third round. So we're doing 3 rounds of this, and then we will inhale and hold. And so we'll inhale, hold for about 45 seconds the first round, 60 seconds the second round, and 75 seconds the final round. Now, if you can't hold that long for either one of these holds, you can just release and be with the energy, be with the vibration that has come up for you, as well as you can also release and re-hold, and this will strengthen your lungs to do holds longer. This breathwork's real thing is to teach you that you are more than your mind, more than your personality, more than your body. So trust the body. It's capable of more than you think it is, usually, for most of us. Unless you already believe you're a limitless being, then you're on the right track. Now, part of breathwork is getting into transcendental states. It's taking us out of our body, and allowing us to use the body to get high on our own supply, to take us to these higher states of levels and being. The pace you want to go is you don't have to go as rapid of a pace as I go, but do go at a pace that is slightly uncomfortable. So it's not a comfortable pace, it's pushing yourself just a little bit. You're pushing yourself to a higher level with this. Okay? All right, so let's get ready to breathe here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. All right. And if you have any questions or concerns or comments, you can comment them down below and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. All right. 3, 2, 1, in. Exhale all the way out. Hold. Big inhale all the way in. Really fill up the lungs and hold. let that back out. Nice, slow, controlled. Awesome. That's round one. Hope you're starting to feel a little bit more clear. You'll be able to hold your breath longer, deeper you go with these breaths. So more rapidly you go, longer you can hold your breath. And I just keep glancing at my watch because I'm keeping track of the time. So let's go ahead and get into round two. Same thing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 2 holds. Ready, set, and let's go. 3, 2, 1. And exhale all the way. Hold. That go, and go ahead and take a nice big inhale all the way in. Hold. Be with that energy for a moment. All right, hope you're doing awesome. Hope you're feeling energized, alive, awake, full of chi. Breathing in that good prana, filling the body up. All righty. All right, let's get ready for round 3. This one, really push yourself, go a little bit more faster than you have been on the rounds. And we're aiming for a 25-second exhale hold and a 75-second inhale hold. Now, don't get into your mind about that. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself. You've got this. All right, let's go for a ride and a journey. Now, let's breathe. 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Just a little bit. And exhale, hold, breathe it all the way out. Hold. And let that out. And fully inhale, fill it up. And hold. And release. And you can just be in that energy for a moment. Just let yourself feel whatever you're feeling. Just allow yourself to be. This is a powerful breath work you can do any time of the day. If you need more focus to go into something, if you're having a lot of negative thoughts or a lot of overwhelmed thoughts, if you're starting to feel burnt out, stressed, having a lot of anxiety, you can do this breath work. I highly encourage doing a breath work practice, 5 to 7 times a week. So that does mean daily, or even just 4 times or 5 times a week is really great. There's plenty more breathworks on this channel, and if you want to see more breathworks like this, please comment down below. And I'd love to hear about your experiences during these breathworks and what's going on for you in your world as you're doing the holds and even the energy that comes up with afterwards. So much love, peace, namaste, keep being your awesome selves, and here's another breathwork right here for you to watch.